Well, here's their bike. I just wanted to show you guys. We're going somewhere with it. So, yeah. It's coming on because we rode it. So, there's the thing. There's previewing of all of the stuff that's on it. It's pretty cool. Good. Pretty nice. Get it up on the Nissan Rogue, and we're going to the track, I guess. Front brake, back brake. There she is. It's a pretty nice looking bike. Doesn't have any weight. Yes, it's got a number on it. Well, they're gonna put a number on it, I guess. They don't have a number on it yet, but they're gonna put a number on it in a minute here. So yeah, I just want to show you guys it. We'll see you guys all later.